Mobi Tyres will be coming round to you. Mobi Tyres will be coming round to you. To fit new tyres, a fix a flat one. For service, they're the right one. Mobi Tyres will be coming round to you.
Welcome to Mobi Tyre Autocare Scotland, your go-to solution for convenient and reliable automotive services in Ayrshire and its surrounding areas. Mobi Tyre Autocare Scotland offers a 24/7 fully mobile tyre fitting service, providing same-day appointments even beyond regular working hours. Whether you're at home, work or on the road, our skilled technicians will get you back on track. We pride ourselves on catering to all budgets, offering a range of tyres from reputable brands like Continental, Michelin and Pirelli. Plus, we highly recommend Davanti tyres for their winning combination of style, safety and performance. But we're more than just tyres. Our mobile business extends to mechanical vehicle repairs for all makes and models. From brake and exhaust repairs to aircon regassing, we've got you covered. Worried about your MOT? We handle pre- and post-MOT repairs, ensuring your vehicle is roadworthy and ready to pass. We also provide 3 tiers of vehicle servicing, which includes vital checks like oil levels, air filter renewals and 4-wheel alignment. Our advanced vehicle diagnostics can pinpoint issues from minor glitches to more serious concerns. Our servicing packages cater to all needs and budgets, competitively priced and backed by professional workmanship. To keep your vehicle in top condition, consider our annual servicing packages, providing peace of mind for your upcoming MOT. For reliability, a pressure-free approach and quality workmanship, contact Mobi Tyre Autocare Scotland at 01563 532 119 or visit us at 6 to 12 Gatehead Road, Crosshouse, Kilmarnock, KA2 0HN. Let us keep you moving with confidence.
Mobi Tyres will be coming round to you.